Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X5 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin. This lever is usually situated on the driver's side, often near the footwell or kick panel. Give the lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the first latch disengages. This action will slightly pop the hood, preparing it for the next step. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now move to the front of your BMW X5. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach into this gap, feeling along the underside of the hood's edge. You are looking for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is typically located near the center of the hood or sometimes slightly offset towards the driver's side. It's designed as a safety measure, preventing accidental opening while driving. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to either push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side. The specific action can vary slightly depending on your X5's model. Experiment gently until you feel the latch release completely. With the secondary latch disengaged, the hood will now be entirely free. You can then lift it upwards, gaining full access to the engine bay and other components. With both latches released, gently lift the hood all the way up. Your BMW X5 is equipped with hydraulic struts that will hold the hood securely in its open position, so you won't need a prop rod. Always ensure the hood is fully supported before working under it. To close, simply lower the hood until it's about 1 foot above the closed position, then let it drop firmly. You should hear a satisfying click as both latches engage securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.